Good morning, Social Cam. Day 5 of the 21-day juice fast. We're on our consecration at church, and we can eat vegetables, grains, and I chose green juice. Start my morning out every morning with Skinny Fiber. Flatten your tummy, helps you to feel full so that you eat less. Detox, supports your metabolism. Got my lemon water to alkalize my system, and my green juice for drinking throughout the day. It's been good. We're on day 5. It's candy day. Yes, they put candy on my desk. And I ate one. God forgive me. It's chocolate time. It's a miniature Hershey Kiss. But anyway, I brought my almonds to eat. Don't forget to connect with me on social media, Brown Ink US, BROWNINK US. Meet me online at youcanbeslim2.com. YOUCANBESLIM 2.com. Jackie Brown out. Be blessed.